We're going to get started with building our hacking lab. Now we've already installed VirtualBox, but now we need to install some attack and victim platforms. For our attack platform, we're going to use Kali Linux. So first we're going to open up our web browser, and we're going to go to kali.org, Kali.org. Once we get to Kali, we're going to go to the downloads link, and we're going to click on the 32-bit ISO. The reason I'm choosing the 32-bit is because that'll work on both 32 and 64-bit systems. Kali Linux is a distribution that's created by Offensive Security, and it has a lot of the tools that we're going to use throughout this course, and there's hundreds and hundreds of tools packed into Kali Linux, so it's a really good ethical hacking platform. Now that it's finished downloading, we're going to close our web browser, and we'll go to our downloads. You can see here I have Kali 2016.2 i386. That's going to be the ISO file we're going to use. Now we're going to open up our VirtualBox. Once it's open, we're going to click on New to create a new virtual machine. The type of machine we're going to create is a Kali Linux box. So I'm going to type Kali for the name, select Linux as the type, and we're using 32-bit Debian for our operating system, which is what Kali is based on. Next, we'll hit Continue. We're going to give it 2 gigabytes of memory, which is 2048 megabytes, and we're not going to add a hard disk. It's going to give us a warning about this. We'll just tell it to continue. Now we have a basic machine set up, but we have a couple of changes we want to make. The first one is we want to click on System, and I want to go to Processor, and I want to enable PAE. The next one is I want to go to Storage, and I want to select the empty CD-ROM disk. In this case, I'm going to choose my virtual disk, go to my Downloads folder, and select Kali Linux. And then hit OK. Everything will be set up for us to use Kali as a live distribution off of the DVD-ROM. Hit Start. Enter the live distribution. Now if we want to fill the screen, we'll go up to View at the top and go to full screen mode, which is Host key F. On a Mac, that is your Command key. It'll give you a warning. And now we have a working, functional Kali Linux machine. Now when Kali is in full screen, if you want to go back to your other environment, on Macintosh you'll hit Command Tab, and on Windows you'll hit Alt Tab, and you can cycle through your windows just like that. In our next lesson, we're going to start installing some victim platforms.